Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to ARD Static Series through MCQs. Today we will be discussing agrometeorology and our prime focus will be agroclimatic zones, okay? So before starting my video, students, I would like to let you know about the initiative that has been taken by EduTap as we have launched this comprehensive NABARD guidebook. This comprehensive NABARD guidebook is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD, like what is NABARD, what as an organization, what did NABARD do? And also, if you have doubt regarding NABARD exams, like your syllabus, your eligibility criteria, how many phases are there in the exams, everything is being covered in this guidebook. Also, it is also providing you the 6-step strategies plus resources you can go through for cracking your NABARD exam. Students, this guidebook is for free to you, and to avail this guidebook, you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself, and get this download this guidebook for free. And also students, I would like to add here that though this guidebook is free in terms of monetary value, but the information this guidebook is providing to you is invaluable. Okay, so with that, I start my video with the very first question that has been asked in a NABARD Grade A 2020 Phase 1. Question is, Haryana belong to which of the following agroclimatic zones? Okay. Options are Western Himalayan region, Lower Gangetic Plain region, Trans-Ganga Plain region, Upper Gangetic Plains region, none of the above. Okay. Now you can see that some regions are being asked to you and agroclimatic zones. So first, to answer this question, you must know what is agroclimatic zone and what are the different agroclimatic zones. Then we will answer this question, okay? First of all, let me tell you that agroclimatic zone, okay? What is agroclimatic zone? Basically, it is a land unit, okay? It is a land unit in terms of major climate suitable for certain range of crops and cultivar. Basically, students, see, we have a land unit, okay? And the climate, the average climate of that land unit, okay, which is suitable for growing certain range of crops and cultivar, that is your one agroclimatic zone, okay? So that is called a agroclimatic zone. As you know that India is very diverse country in terms of climate, in terms of vegetation. So that is why India has been divided into different agroclimatic zones, because whenever a policy is being formed, okay, for agriculture, so we have to see the agroclimatic zone of that particular region. So that is why India has been divided into different agroclimatic zones, okay? So here are three classifications. The first classification is given by Planning Commission of India, okay? And according to Planning Commission of India, India has been divided into 15 agroclimatic zones, okay? India has been divided into 15 agroclimatic zones according to the Planning Commission. Next is the classification which is given by ICR, okay, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and it has divided into India into 127 agroclimatic zones. Clear? Now moving on to the next classification, which was given by National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, okay, and they have divided India into 20 agroecological zones, okay. So these are the classification, and these are the classification which are given for the agroclimatic zones of India, okay. Now moving on to the what are these agroclimatic zones, okay? As I have already told you that agroclimatic zones, like in this slide, I have told you that Planning Commission has divided India into 15 agroclimatic zones, okay? And we will be discussing this in detail because questions are asked from this classification, okay? That is why we will be primarily focusing on this classification, and none of the question has been asked from these two. So for today, we will be focusing on this part, okay? Now let me tell you that, as I already told you, that India has been divided into 15 agroclimatic zones according to National Planning Commission of India, okay, as you can see in the picture. Now student, if you can see that India has been divided into Western Himalayas, Eastern Himalayan, Lower Gangetic Plain, Middle Gangetic Plain, Upper Gangetic Plain, Trans-Gangetic Plain, then Eastern Plateau and Hills, Central Plateau and Hills, Western Plateau and Hills, Southern Plateau and Hills, Eastern Coast Plain and Hills, West Coast Plain and Hills, Gujarat Plains and Hills, Western Dry Region and Islands, okay. These are the 15 agroclimatic zones, okay, which is given by Planning Commission of India. Now how to memorize it? Let me just give you a trick. Okay, so first is, see, we have 15 agroclimatic zones. Okay, the first two is of your Himalayan region. Okay, the first two is from your Himalayan region, that is your Western Himalayan and Eastern Himalayan. Okay, in your Western Himalayan, this part is covered. Okay, that is your Jammu Kashmir, your Uttarakhand, your Himachal is being covered in Western Himalayas. Okay, and in Eastern Himalayan, your this northeastern part where your Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, this part is being covered. Okay, this is your second Eastern Himalayan zone. Okay, now moving on to the second, that we have a Gangetic Plain. Okay, so there are four zones which are, okay, first सी हिमालयन के बेसिस में अगर हम देखें तो हिमालयन के बेसिस में एक वेस्टर्न हिमालयन है, एक ईस्टर्न हिमालयन है. ओके, देन वी हैव गंगेटिक प्लेन्स, और गंगेटिक प्लेन्स के अकॉर्डिंग चार क्लासिफिकेशन है, चार क्लासिफिकेशन, जिसमें आता है हमारा फर्स्ट लोअर गंगेटिक प्लेन, योर मिडिल गंगेटिक प्लेन, अपर गंगेटिक प्लेन एंड ट्रांस गंगेटिक प्लेन. ओके, दिस इज योर फोर क्लासिफिकेशन. सी, इन लोअर गंगेटिक प्लेन्स your this part is being covered. Okay, and your middle Gangetic Plain, your this part is being covered. Okay, this UP Bihar is being covered in the middle Gangetic Plain, and in lower West Bengal. Okay, then your upper Gangetic Plain, this part is being covered. Okay, and in your trans Gangetic Plain is your this part. Okay, where your this Punjab, Chandigarh and all this come, Delhi, this come in there. This is this part, that's it, that is Trans-Gangetic Plain. Now moving on to the next eastern plateaus. Okay, plateaus, according to plateaus we have eastern, central, western and southern. Okay, four plateaus. Okay, plateaus and hills. Plateaus and hills के basis में चार classification है. That is your eastern plateau. This is your eastern plateau. Then moving on to the central plateau, which is your this part. Okay, then your western plateau, which is your this part, and then your southern plateau, which covers the part of this area. Okay, now moving on to the coast plains and hills. Okay, coast plains and hills. According to the coast plains and hill, we have two classification: coast plains and hills. Okay, and first is your east coast plain and hill. That is your this part. Okay, this one. This is your first this is your east coast plain hills. Then in your west coast plain hill, you have this part is being covered, and then in your, okay, so these are two for coast plains and hills. Then your another two, last two is your western, so last three is your Gujarat plains and hills. And see, Gujarat, sorry, see, the three which are left is first your Gujarat plains and hills. Okay, then your western dry region, that is your Rajasthan, and your last is island, that is your Andaman, this part Andaman Nicobar. Okay, so this is the classification. Okay, now you can take the screenshot of this, and you can remember this classification likewise. Okay, like 15 regions are there. 2 are of Himalayan. First is your western and eastern Himalayan. Then 4 are your Gangetic Plain, upper, lower, middle and trans. Then 4 are your plateaus and hills, which is eastern, central, western, southern. Then your coast plains and hills. 2 are east coast plain hills, west coast plain hills. Then your 3 are Gujarat plains and hills, which is your this part. Okay, and then your western dry region is your this part, that is Rajasthan, and island is your this part, which is Andaman Nicobar. Okay, so that was a broad classification. Let's let's discuss them one by one. Okay, so first is your western Himalayan region. Students, as I've discussed you, वेस्टर्न हिमालयन रीजन कहाँ पे था? दिस वाज द वेस्टर्न हिमालयन रीजन, और यहाँ पे कौन कौन से स्टेट्स आते हैं? जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड उत्तराखंड. ओके, सो बेसिकली हियर यहाँ पे कैसा है? कूल एंड ह्यूमिड रीजन है. ठीक है, एनुअल रेनफॉल इज योर 75 to 150 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एक्सेप्ट जहाँ लद्दाख में, जहाँ पे कि कितना 30 सेंटीमीटर होती है. ठीक है, एनुअल रेनफॉल. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, Eastern Himalayas. Okay, this was your Eastern Himalayan, that is your northeast part. So it is covering your Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Okay, And see, West Bengal, I have told you that in your lower Gangetic plain, West Bengal come, okay? But some part of West Bengal, that is Darjeeling district of West Bengal, come under your eastern Himalayan region, okay? So climate here is humid to subhumid, and average rainfall here is your 200 centimeter. Moving on to the next, that is your lower Gangetic plain, okay? So I have told you in this that lower Gangetic plain is this part, that is your West Bengal, okay? So lower Gangetic plain is your West Bengal, and the climate here is humid to dry humid, and the average rainfall is 100 to 200 or 250 centimeter. Clear? Now moving on to the middle Gangetic plains, okay? Middle Gangetic plain was this one, okay? This UP, Bihar, this one is middle Gangetic plain, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar plains, okay? Climate here is moist, hot, humid and dry, and your average rainfall is 100 to 150 centimeter. Clear? Now moving on to the other classification. Now I have told you 4 Gangetic plains, okay? Upper Gangetic plains is your western part of UP, ठीक है? Climate यहाँ पे कैसा है? Dry, subhumid to dry climate है यहाँ पे. Then your average rainfall is 75 to 150 centimeter, okay? Moving on to the Trans-Gangetic plain, okay? Trans-Gangetic plain consists of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Ganganagar district of Rajasthan, okay? So यहाँ पे climate कैसा है? Semi-arid climate है, okay? And annual rainfall is 40 to 100 centimeter, okay? Moving to the next, that is eastern plateaus and hill, okay? So यहाँ पे कौन से हैं? आपके MP, south part of West Bengal, ठीक है? And most part of the Odisha, okay? Now moving, the climate यहाँ पे कैसा है? Moist, subhumid to dry subhumid, ठीक है? Climate कैसा है? Moist subhumid to dry subhumid. Moving on to the rainfall, यहाँ पे average rainfall है 75 to 1 centimeter, okay? Now moving on to the central plateau and hills. यहाँ पे कौन कौन से आते हैं? 46 डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, ओके? मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड राजस्थान, ये सेंट्रल प्लेट्यू है, सेंट्रल पार्ट है इंडिया का, हमने डिस्कस किया था. तो यहाँ पे आते हैं MP, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड राजस्थान, ओके? क्लाइमेट यहाँ पे कैसे है? एरिड क्लाइमेट है, ओके? एंड यहाँ पे 1/3 ऑफ द लैंड इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर द कल्टिवेशन, ओके? एरिड क्लाइमेट है, सो 1/3 ऑफ लैंड इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर द कल्टिवेशन. Now moving to the question which says that Haryana belong to which of the following agroclimatic zone? Okay, your options are Western Himalayan region, Lower Gangetic Plains, Trans-Ganga Plain region, Upper Gangetic Plain region, none of the above, okay? And the right answer for this question is Trans-Gangetic Plain region, okay? Let me open the slide for you. This it was talking about Haryana. So हमारा जो Trans-Gangetic Plain वो कहाँ पे है? ये है, ठीक है? So that is why Haryana is in your Trans-Gangetic plain, okay? Now moving on to the next question which says which type of ecosystem in India has richest alluvial soil with adequate water system, okay? Your options are Northern Plain, Eastern Plain, Western Plateau and Hills, Central Plateau and Hills, none of the above. And the right answer for this question is Northern Plains, okay? Now see, students यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आपके richest alluvial soil and adequate water बोला गया है, ठीक है? तो alluvial soil कहाँ पे होती है? जहाँ पे river होती है, ठीक है? जहाँ पे river के थ्रू जो deposition होता है, that is your alluvial soil. And यहाँ पे कैसा बोल रहे हैं? With adequate water, rivers होंगी तो adequate water हो गई, ठीक है? और आपको पता होगा मोस्टली हमारी जो रिवर्स होती है, मैक्सिमम इंडिया में जो रिवर्स है वो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स की तरफ है, ठीक है? तो दैट इज व्हाई द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी नॉर्दर्न प्लेन, ओके? Moving on to the next, that is based on planning commission, in how many agroclimatic zones India is divided into, okay? Your options are 16, 23, 15, 17 and 18, and we have discussed this in very first slide that it is 15, okay? 15 agroclimatic zones में divide किया गया है based on planning commission ने इंडिया को, okay? Now moving on to the next question, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi belong to which of the following agroclimatic zones, okay? Your West Coast Plains and Ghats, Gujarat Plains and Hills, Southern Plateau and Hills, Western Plateau and Hills, or Trans-Gangetic Plain, okay? Now if you remember, West Bengal was the lower Gangetic, then your under Trans-Gangetic and the extreme right there was ट्रांस-गंगेटिक प्लेन, जहां पे हमारे कौन कौन से आते हैं? हमारे पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड चंडीगढ़ एंड दिल्ली, ठीक है? और इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ट्रांस-गंगेटिक प्लेन. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट which says which of the following belong to lower Gangetic plain agroclimatic zone, okay? Your options are West Bengal, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, all of the above, none of the above. Okay. Lower Gangetic Plain, I have discussed it with you that it is West Bengal. Okay. Answer is here West Bengal. Lower Gangetic Plain, which the very first thing from here टू द एक्सट्रीम 4 गंगेटिक प्लेन थे वेस्ट बंगाल से होते हुए कहाँ की तरफ जा रहे थे हमारे हरियाणा राजस्थान की तरफ. सो तो लोअर गंगेटिक प्लेन इज योर वेस्ट बंगाल. ओके. Now let's discuss some other agroclimatic zones. Okay, first is your Western Plateau and Hills. Now Western Plateau and Hills में कौन से पार्ट्स आते हैं हमारे महाराष्ट्र, ओके, एंड राजस्थान, पार्ट ऑफ एमपी एंड वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान. ठीक है, महाराष्ट्र पार्ट ऑफ एमपी एंड वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान, दैट इज कवर्ड इन योर वेस्टर्न प्लेट्यू एंड हिल्स. ठीक है. नाउ यहाँ पे कैसी है, ब्लैक सॉइल्स होती है. ओके, यू नो मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट ब्लैक सॉइल कहाँ पे, महाराष्ट्र में सबसे ज्यादा ब्लैक सॉइल पाई जाती है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रेग्यूर. ओके. ना क्लाइमेट यहाँ पे कैसा है, सेमी एरिड है और एनुअल रेनफॉल यहाँ पे 25 to 75 सेंटीमीटर होती है. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज सदर्न प्लेट्यू एंड हिल्स. इन सदर्न प्लेट्यू एंड हिल्स सी यहाँ पे कौन कौन से पार्ट है, कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु. ओके. एंड यहाँ पे जो एरिया है, दिस इज अ ड्राई जोन एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, एरिया ऑफ ड्राई जोन एग्रीकल्चर विद एवरेज रेनफॉल ऑफ 50 to 100 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. Now moving on to the next, which says East Coast Plain. So in your East Coast Plain, your Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry is covered. Okay, and climate here is semi-arid to dry sub-humid. Okay, and annual rainfall is 75 to 150 centimeter. Moving on to the next, West Coast Plain एंड घाट्स. सी यहाँ पे कौन कौन से स्टेट्स हैं हमारे, तमिलनाडु, केरला, गोवा, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र. एंड यहाँ पे क्लाइमेट कैसा है हमारा, ड्राई सब ह्यूमिड टू ह्यूमिड. ओके, एंड रेनफॉल इज मोर देन 200 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर. नाउ the other are your West Plains and Hills, the last three which we have discussed, West Plains and Hills. okay, यहाँ पे कौन सा आता है हमारा, सॉरी, गुजरात Plains and Hills, यहाँ पे हमारा आता है गुजरात. ओके, यहाँ पे क्लाइमेट कैसा है, योर एरिड टू सेमी एरिड रीजन है ये. ठीक है, एंड विद एवरेज रेनफॉल ऑफ 50 to 100 सेंटीमीटर. मूविंग ऑन टू द वेस्टर्न ड्राई रीजन. वेस्टर्न ड्राई रीजन में हमें पता है कौन सा आता है, राजस्थान. ओके, हमने डिस्कस कर लिया वेस्टर्न ड्राई रीजन में, ड्राई रीजन है सो राजस्थान. नाउ मूविंग टू द दैट, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एनुअल एवरेज रेनफॉल इज 95 mm. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट होता है, डेजर्ट क्लाइमेट होता है विच फर्दर कॉज हाई इवेपोरेशन. ओके. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज आइलैंड रीजन. ओके, सी आइलैंड रीजन के अंदर हमारे आइलैंड्स कौन कौन से हैं, अंडमान निकोबार एंड लक्षद्वीप आते हैं. ठीक है, आइलैंड है मतलब सराउंडेड बाय वाटर, सो यहाँ पे क्लाइमेट कैसा है, ह्यूमिड है. ओके, एंड एनुअल रेनफॉल यहाँ पे कितना है, 300 mm. ठीक है, which is spread over 8 to 9 months. Okay, now let's move on to the questions based on this, that Goa belong to which of the following agroclimatic zone. Okay, West Coast Plain and Ghats, Gujarat Plains and Ghats, sorry, Gujarat Plains and Hills, Southern Plateau and Hills, Western Plateau and Hills, none of the above. Okay, and right answer for this question is your West Coast Plain and Ghats. Okay, ये होता है आपका इंडिया का मैप, सॉरी, एंड दिस इज योर वेस्ट कोस्ट प्लेन्स एंड घाट्स. ओके. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच सेज which of the following comes in western dry region under agroclimatic zone. Okay, western dry region, hint is given here, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Goa, all of the above, none of the above. Okay, just we have discussed western dry region में कौन सा state आता है, that is your Rajasthan. Okay, moving on to the next, okay, this question will be for you. You have to practice this question and let me read out the question for you. Saffron, one of the premium crop in India and around the world, is grown abundantly in which of the following agroclimatic zone in India? Okay, your options are Lower Gangetic Plain, Upper Gangetic Plains, Western Himalayan region, all of the above, none of the above. Okay. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आपको देखना पड़ेगा, सी सैफरन की बात की गई है तो यू हैव टू सी इन विच पार्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री सैफरन इज हाईली प्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, हाईली कल्टिवेटेड. सो आपको वो रीजन देखना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू कैन इजीली आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. एंड हमने पहले स्लाइड में, आई विल गिव यू द हिंट दैट इन आवर फर्स्ट स्लाइड वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट 2 रीजन, द वेरी फर्स्ट 2 रीजन, एंड वन ऑफ देम द आंसर इज द आंसर ऑफ फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, so that is the practice question for you, and do let me know the answer of this question in comment box. Okay, so for more such videos, students, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want the PDF of this video, so you can join us on our Telegram channel also. And also students, if you like my video, please like and do comment. Let me know how you are feeling about my video. And that was all for this video. Thank you so much.